Are you tired of staring at low-resolution images? If you have an image with low resolution, such as this panda in this case, these quick tips are just for you. First, click on the image and then on the image size. Follow my settings and click OK. And adjust the pixels to 1000 by 1000. Next, go to Filters, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Gradually adjust it to a level where you no longer see the individual pixel. Finally, click on Curves on the Levels Adjustment layer. Drag to the left until the white color becomes completely white. Next, drag to the right until the black color becomes completely black. Now, we have a high-quality photo of this panda.